Hi friends, I'm Pooja. Today I'm come up with the topic that is on PDF automation. In this video, I'm going to tell which package you need to install to use PDF automation and what are all the different activities present in PDF automation. And also, in this video, we are going to learn how to extract the bulk test from a PDF using UiPath and how to extract specific elements inside PDF document. The very first step is to installing PDF activities. First, search for PDF. If you find n number of PDF activities like export PDF pages and image like this, if you didn't get these packages, then go to manage packages. Click on all packages and search for UiPath.pdf activities. Yes, I already installed this package. If you didn't install this, please install. Once you install this package, you can find multiple number of activities in activity panel. In this example, we'll learn two of them, which are those, that is read PDF text and read PDF with OCR. First, I'm going to tell you how read PDF text will work and how read PDF OCR will work. Read PDF text helps in extracting PDF text content to a UiPath text variable. However, read PDF text does not have the ability to extract PDF text from an embedded image in PDF. To extract text from an image in PDF, we will be using the activity named as Read PDF with OCR. Read PDF with OCR does not work alone. It requires an OCR engine. Now, I will show you how to achieve this. First, you need one PDF sample. This is my PDF sample. It contains the text as well as image. Now first we'll go with read PDF text. Take one sequence. Take read PDF text. Here you need to give the path of that PDF file. This is my PDF file. Here you need to create one variable, that is readdt. Now take one message box. In message box, you need to give the variable name, that is readdt. And next, take write text file. In text field, you need to give that variable, that is readdt, and here you need to give the path of the text file. Save this. Let's run. See here, we got output. Actually, these are text and this is in image format. So by using read PDF text, it can only able to capture the text fields. Starting with sample text and image PDF and it is ends with here. I hope you understand. I already tell you, read PDF text helps in extracting PDF text content to UiPath text variable. But read PDF text does not have the ability to extract PDF text from an embedded image in PDF. This is the embedded image form. Now I will show you how to extract text from an image in PDF. Just delete this activity. Now take read PDF with OCR. Here you need to give the path of that PDF file. Here it is showing some error. Why? Because read PDF with OCR does not work alone. It requires OCR engines. If you search for OCR engines, you will find so many OCR engines that Microsoft OCR, Tesseract OCR, and so many things. For this process, I am using this Tesseract OCR. Now the error was gone. In text field, you need to give the previously created readdt variable. Save this. Let's run. Now we got the output. Let I drag this to the side so it's better to see here. Now in this is the text from we are trying to extract text from an image. Here you can see the same output. When we are use read PDF with OCR, you can able to extract text from an image in PDF. I hope in this video you learn how can we extract PDF text and also PDF text content to UiPath text variable, and you also learned how to extract text from an image in PDF using Read PDF with OCR. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.